state level.
St. Xavier Secondary School marked its Silver Jubilee with a grand celebration attended by local dignitaries, including MLA Gabriel Walang. The event featured cultural performances and the unveiling of a commemorative souvenir, highlighting the school's contributions to education in the community.
Distribution ceremony for our past pupils. Ladies and gentlemen, teachers and students, please rise and welcome our distinguished chief guest, Shri Gaur.
The students, the ginger of the Jubilee, the boys perform, that it will come, young, the positive mindset of the Jubilee. Born like you know, is doing Kim Julong in the positive mindset. I don't know the Nanjobe, I don't know what I have. Barbar, you go in a routine. The boy at home, the people will cut the zinga. Our Piyak Chapa, Yak Beg, will cut the zinga to be what tears. You don't need part of the young guy, but the Sunday. But Yak Beg had a talk to a people, but the Tiger told was okay. Rankat, a zinga, but the Jixania who played, but I agree the government saying, in your way, they are so that zinga was okay.
Nangstoin MLA Gabriel Walang distributed